Good morning. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. I hope you're doing well this morning. Today is Dress for Success Career Day. So that's why I have dressed up today, worn a shirt and tie. Today, I hope that you will think more about what you want your career to be when you grow up. I encourage you to dress for success. You can dress as the career that you want today, or just dress up in your finest clothes. Feel free to take a picture and send that to me. That would be great. You can put it on Facebook just below this video. Yesterday, we had a wonderful Zoom conversation, Zoom meeting. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed seeing you all. We had some people join that I hadn't seen before come to our Zoom meeting, so that was just wonderful. We talked about careers yesterday. Some of the teachers, we shared about our career and kind of our journey to where has gotten us to where we are today. And several of you all shared what you want to be. I had several people, I think it was 3 different people, said they wanted to be gemologist, which I thought was interesting, and a teacher. Somebody wanted to be a singer or an artist. We had an astronaut. I just thought that was really cool, guys, that you're thinking about what you want to be when you grow up. So I encourage you today to dress for success. Send me a picture of you all dressed up, dressed for success, or in the career that you would like to. I know. Oh, we did have some people said somebody wanted to be a vet too. I forgot about that one. So that is what I challenge you with today. I also want to talk to you a little bit about money again today. Yesterday we talked about money, and I gave you the challenge to make envelopes or boxes where you could put money that you're going to save, that you're going to use as your spending money, and money that you could save up to give away to a charity. But the word borrow means to receive something with the intention of returning it. If I borrow a pencil from you, I'm not saying that I'm taking that pencil forever. I'm telling you that I'm going to give you that pencil back at some point. We oftentimes borrow things from each other. I have a tool, a saw in my car right now that I borrowed from a friend so that I could cut something. He had this big circular saw. So, you know what? I borrowed that from my friend. I have the intention of giving it back. I did not take that from him. He did not give that to me, but it's something that I borrowed. Well, many times people borrow money. So I want you to answer a couple questions today. I want you to think about it. Have you ever borrowed money from someone? That's the first question. And if you have borrowed money from someone, what deal did you make about paying the money back? Okay, did if you borrowed money from someone, did you say, look, I need lunch money today. Can you please, can I borrow money from you today? I'll pay you back tomorrow. Or I'll let you, you could say, I'll let you use my favorite toy until I get you paid back. Okay. And if you haven't borrowed money from somebody, I want you to think about what is something that you have borrowed from someone. All right? Have you borrowed something else? Maybe it was a toy. Maybe, like in my case, it's a tool that I borrowed from a friend. And did you keep your promise? If you borrowed something from somebody, did you keep your promise in getting that back to that person? Okay, and whatever deal that you made. And I think that's it. Those are the questions that I want you to think about. So, borrowing something is when you are using something and it's only temporary. You have the intention of giving it back or paying it back if it's money. Okay. And think about the deal that you made. What was the deal that you made when you borrowed an item from someone? All right. And then also, did you follow through with your promise to get that back to that person? All right, guys, I encourage you to dress up today, dress for success. Can't wait to see. And look forward to seeing the answers to your questions. You can answer these questions in your notebook. I will post them written down underneath this video as well, and you can respond there. But I would also want to see your responses in your notebooks as well. Bye, guys. Thank you.